Hello kids, welcome back to my channel Learn with Pahadi. Today we are learning alphabet 1 2 A B C D E and numbers 1 2 3 4 5. This is our colors. Red color, pink color, purple color, dark green color, blue color. A for apple. 1. B for balloon. 2. C for cat. 3. D for Doraemon. 4. E for elephant. 5. F for fish. 6. G for grape. 7. H for horse. 8. I for ice cream. 9. J for joker. 10.